This Amway home product demonstration will be performed by Senior Research Scientist Phil Sleva. To perform this demonstration, you will need Amway Home SA8 Prewash Sprej, chewing gum, and one piece of 100% white cotton permanent press cloth. The purpose of this demonstration is to show how quickly SA8 Prewash Sprej loosens and removes stubborn stains and spots, even gum. First, chew one piece of gum for approximately 10 minutes until smooth. Place the chewed gum in the center of the cloth and fold in half. Press the gum with your thumb and open the cloth. The gum should spread about 4 centimeters in length. Next, hold the can of SA8 Prewash Sprej 15 centimeters away from the affected area on the cloth and spray. Turn the cloth over and spray again on the reverse side and allow to stand for 1 minute. Wait a minute and then use your fingernail to peel the gum away from the cloth. Amway Home SA8 Prewash Sprej contains special surfactants and solvents that successfully loosen gum and other difficult stains from fabric. You are able to peel off the gum and remove this impossible stain.